water. One more glass.
Why do you hold it in the glass?
We can set it down.
Could get kind of awkward if you,
You know
just
those-
tried to run over holding it in your hand. Yeah.
You know those tripod things that
Uh-huh.
are like this tall?
Yeah, I've got mine at home.
Ah, that sucks.
You forgot it or you left it?
Forgot it.
Both, actually.
How's that?
I forgot to bring it, so I left it.
And therefore, it was left. Yeah. Uh-huh.
I didn't mean it like that.
Silly Jay.
Need more water?
Yes.
Okay.
Good job, Maddie. Boom, 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 boom.
You're like a little house elf. What's more?
You're the cutest house I know.
And you didn't.
Πιο πολύ.
Yeah.
I'll
Πιο
give you
πολύ.
that any day.
Πιο πολύ νερό.
Πιο πολύ νερό.
Never mind. You have to say out because you're running the thing.
Yeah.
No, you must iron
And you haven't added any of the la vie yet, right?
Tommy, no. Hit your head on the wall.
I'm going to make this now, but you are going to make the next one because
Okay.
we need 2 philos. Okay?
Ah, okay.
Come for you.
So pay attention.
Alright.
I know, Molly's.
Somebody will do this for me, please. Unscrew the bottle.